what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this new VGR trimmer with the model number V970. So the box looks like this. This trimmer got 5 speeds with a 2000 milliamp battery, 3.5 hours charging time, and 240 minutes operating time. So for me, it seems to be like Kemi 5027, something like this. Almost the same, but a little bit different. Okay, put a master blade on it. So this one got 4 speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 speed. This one, I guess, 5 speed. So let's see. Trimmer. Inside you will find oil, little brush, charging cable, and it's a USB type C. So you got 3 guide combs and the manual. So now this one is a little bit more robust than this one. Okay, got also logo on the blade, which is good. Charging port, like I said, it's a USB type C. Okay, I guess it will be very easy to make a tear down here and here, I guess so. And one thing I don't really like is when you turn it on, the sound that it makes. You hear that tick? Just like, almost like Gamma Absolute heaters or something like that. So yeah, this is the 5 speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 speed. 2 speed would have been more better than 5 speed. It's too much, you know. Okay, when you turn it on, the last settings before you turn it off, when you turn it on again, it will be the same settings where you left it, because I left it on settings 1. It sounds really good and powerful. Okay, now let's try again. Yeah, settings 5. And this type of blade, Kemi had such type of blade and VGR also, but this one they make it more better because they made the cutter blade thinner and it cuts better. And it's more sharper than the older version of this type of blade, which is good. Although this one is an old one, it's already old, as you can see. So almost the same height. So So got 7,000 RPM with the highest speed. And it a snap out blade. For me, it's sharp enough. Got higher RPM without the blade.